Hello everyone, my name is Arturo Romero, and in this video I will demonstrate my project. This project is Collect Library API, a RESTful API developed using Node.js, Express, MongoDB, Atlas, Mongoose, and Swagger documentation. This project contains two MongoDB collections, the collection authors and books. Both collections are connected through a relationship where each book stores the author's object ID. The application is deployed on render, and all endpoints are documented using Swagger. I will begin by opening the production Swagger documentation. Here we can see all available endpoints for both collections, including get, post, put, and delete operations. The API documentation can be tested directly from this interface. First, I will execute the getAuthors endpoint. As we can see, the API successfully retrieves all authors stored in MongoDB and returns an HTTP status code 200. Next, I will create a new author using the post endpoint. I will enter the author's information and execute the request. The API returns status code 201 create and provides a newly generated object ID. I will copy this ID because I will be used in the following operation. Now I will retrieve the newly created author using the getById endpoint. After entering the object ID, the API successfully returns the author's information. Next, I will update this author. For example, I will modify the biography. The API returns status code 200 and we can see that the information has been updated successfully. Finally, I will delete this author. The API returns status code 204, no content, confirming that the record was successfully removed. Now, I will repeat the same process for the book collections. First, I will execute the getBooks endpoint. The API returns all books, including author information through Mongoose Populate functionality. Next, I will create a new book. I will provide all required information, including an existing author ID. The API successfully creates the records and returns status code 201. I will copy this ID, generate. Now, I will retrieve the book using this object ID. The API returns book information along with the related author information. Next, I will update the book information. For example, I will modify the title. The API returns status code 200 and the update information. Finally, I will delete the book. The API returns status code 204 no content, confirming successful deletions. This project also includes data validation and error handling. For example, I will create a new book without required files. The API returns an error message indicating the validation failed. Additionally, if I provide an invalid object ID, the API returns an appropriate error response. All controllers use try-catch blocks and returns proper HTTP status code such as 200 OK, 201 try, 204 no content, 400 bar request, 404 not found, and 500 internal server error. This application has been deployed and rendered and use MongoDB Atlas as its database. Sensitive information such as connection strings is stored using environment variables and is not included in the GitHub repository. In summary, this project successfully implements two MongoDB collections for crew functionality, data validation, error handling, Swagger API documentation, and cloud deployment using Render. Thank you for watching my presentation.